In this section, we will talk about the subdivisions of suprarenal glands. We will also discuss the location, size, shape, and weight, and sheaths of suprarenal glands. Now, moving towards subdivisions. The suprarenal glands are a pair of important endocrine glands. They are situated on the posterior abdominal wall over the upper pole of the kidneys behind the peritoneum. They are made up of two parts: an outer cortex of mesodermal origin, which secretes a number of steroid hormones, and an inner medulla of neural crest origin, which is made up of chromaffin cells, and secretes epinephrine and norepinephrine. You can remember the secretions of medulla using a mnemonic. MEN, M for medulla, E for epinephrine, and N for norepinephrine. Moving towards the location of suprarenal glands. Well, each gland lies in the epigastric region. Epi means above, and gastric means stomach. So, epigastric means above stomach. They are present at the upper pole of the kidney. Glands situated on the posterior abdominal wall over the upper pole of the kidneys. Behind the peritoneum, opposite the 12th rib. Well, peritoneum is a membrane, a sheet of smooth tissue, that lines your abdominopelvic cavity and surrounds your abdominal organs. It pads and insulates your organs, helps hold them in place, and secretes a lubricating fluid to reduce friction when they rub against each other. Moving towards size, shape, and weight of suprarenal glands. Each gland measures 50 mm in height, 30 mm in breadth, and 10 mm in thickness. It is approximately 1/3 of the size of kidney at birth, and about 1/30th of it in adults. It weighs about 5 grams. The medulla forming 1/10 of the gland. Right suprarenal gland is triangular or pyramidal in shape, and the left is semilunar in shape. The suprarenal glands are immediately surrounded by areolar tissue, containing considerable amount of fat. Moving forward towards sheaths. As we have discussed that, the suprarenal glands are immediately surrounded by areolar tissue, containing considerable amount of fat. Outside the fatty sheath, there is the renal fascia. Between the two layers of fascia lies the suprarenal gland. The two layers are not fused above the suprarenal. The gland is separated from the kidney by a septum, while this is diaphragmatic fascia. So, summary is that the kidney and suprarenal glands are enclosed in the renal fascia, with a septum intervening. So, this was all about this section. In our next section, we will talk about the anterior relations of right and left suprarenal glands.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.